Welcome back, kindergartners. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. Today is Friday, so we're going to be totaling up our frogs and toads. We have a little bit more to do on our calendar and days in school, and then we have a word problem to do with the toads and frogs. So let's get right into it. Here we go. We're starting every day with our days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. That's the day we're on, Friday. Okay, you guys, what do you think we're going to have today? We've had ruler, scale, measuring spoons, thermometer, ruler, scale, measuring cup, thermometer. Oh, I think it's the ruler also. Let's take a look. It is a ruler, and this time they are measuring a marker. Before, they've measured an eraser and they've measured a crayon. You can see the eraser here and you can see the crayon there. Okay, so this is measuring length. This is a ruler, and I have a couple other tools to show you. Measure how long something is, how short something is. If we need to cut things, we use the rulers. Okay, let's say our date, and then we'll get over to our charts. Today's date is Friday, April 9th, 2021. One more time with me. Today's date is Friday, April 9th, 2021. Okay, let's talk about length. Length measures how long and short things are. The ruler, each of us got a ruler in our math box this year, so everybody should have a ruler. There's two parts to the ruler. This side, where the numbers are a little bit more spread out, that measures inches. But if you turn it over, the numbers are really close to each other. And this measures centimeters. And you guys will learn about both sides of this after a while. This is a yardstick, and it's actually 3 rulers. If I went 1, 2, 3, it would be, I'm sorry, I saw numbers on the back and I thought I was showing you guys it with no numbers. So a yardstick is the equivalent of 3 rulers. And it's all the way out to 36 inches. It has all of the different smaller measurements throughout. So in case I wanted to make something 13 3/8 inches, it would be right there. The other thing that we use to measure is a tape measure. And I know the second graders got it in their math box. I don't know about everybody else. But everybody got a white tape measure in their math box this year. This is an easier way to measure things if they're soft, or a lot of times we use it to measure material. And so it's usually a sewing measuring type. Okay, did I glue this? Nope, I have to glue our ruler. And it is a marker. Sorry, 2021. I like our observation charts this month. So I'm going to say ruler, and it's measuring a marker. This one is about 2 inches, this one says it's about 4 inches, and that one says it's about 6 inches. Okay, I think we've done everything there. Let's spin for a frog or a toad. Frog! Okay. Alrighty, I get to use 2. So we've had 2 frogs and 2 toads. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, we were only in school 4 days a week. I was thinking there should be 5 there, but we had that break the first day. So I'm actually going to write on this one. That way I will remind myself why we don't have 5. Okay, so I'm going to fill in here. And why I have this, we're doing our weekly total on this chart. At the end of each week, color in the row of boxes to show how many frogs and how many toads you got. Use green for the frog and brown for the toad. Write the equation below each row to show the number of frogs and the number of toads and the total. Okay, so I've got my green out, and even though I didn't pick the frog together, I am going to color 2 boxes. And I'm going to color 2 boxes brown. And my equation is going to be 2 plus 2. And what does 2 plus 2 equal? Nice, 4. And you can always look up here and double check. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay. I'm going to put this down because we have a paper to do, but let's get days in school done so that we can do the paper together. And that'll be our last thing we have to do today and this week. Okay, so we were at 142, 143, 3 links, the number 3, and perfect. 143 days. Okay, I think we are done with the wall. So now we're going to come over and do a sheet. Alrighty, so we have this sheet, and it's story problems with frog and toad. And I'm going to use my cubes, and I'll show you why in a minute, because I saw it right here. So 4 frogs sat on a lily pad. Then 3 more frogs came to sit on the lily pad. How many frogs are there on the lily pad? And their instructions say, use cubes, pictures, numbers to help solve the problem. Show your work and write your answer. So I'm going to use cubes. So the first thing it says, 4 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put my 4. Sat on a lily pad. Then 3 more came, 1, 2, 3, and sat on the lily pad. So how many frogs do we have all together? Good, I heard somebody shout out 7. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am going to put 7 in my box because we counted. And my equation is going to be just like the story. We had 4 plus 3 equals 7. Nice job. Okay, let's do our last one. 5 toads are swimming in the pond. 2 of the toads are brown and the rest are green with black spots. How many toads are green with black spots? Ooh, use your cube. So let's see. First it says 5 toads were swimming. So I'm going to bring 5 toads. But then it tells me that 2 are brown and the rest are green. So I'm going to switch 2 of my green for 2 brown. And so now it says how many are green with black spots. So that was an easy way to see that 3 are green with black spots. So I am going to write my 3 in here. And so let's double check that I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 were brown and the rest were green. So the way I'm going to write my equation is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Because we started with 5, I switched out 2, and that gave me the remaining 3. Okay, you guys, that was pretty cool to play with frogs and toads today. Alrighty, so, these are good questions. What was our tool today? And our tool was the ruler, and How many frogs and toads did we collect? And we collected 2 and 2. You can see it better here. So we collected 2 frogs and 2 toads. And it was a ruler. Okay, you guys, we are done for the first week back from Easter break. Thank you for all your hard work. See you later. Bye-bye.